You're here. What can you say?
Second happiest moment in my life.
Okay, we all know what the first moment was. We are now at the Chinese Grand Prix in Shanghai, and I'm here to support Jed in his childhood dream to watch it live. So it's practice day today. And for all of you adrenaline junkies, this is for you. This is for you. That's it for day one of race weekend. It's so cold. And that's it for the first day one. Sino nanalo today?
Day one.
Norris.
Lando Norris takes pole in F1 sprint race.
We'll go back tomorrow. And dapat medyo tama na yung damit ko because again, it's so freaking cold. I think it's like 11 degrees today. I'm undressed properly. Tomorrow, how was your first day one experience on the race weekend?
It's unexpected. Dahil sa weather, bigla siyang umulan nung qualifying na. So, wala talaga may hawak nung sino na sa top 3 dahil sa ulan, dahil sa weather.
So, it's day 2 of the race weekend of the Chinese Grand Prix here in Shanghai. We are going to the Shanghai International Circuit from our hotel, and unlike sa Pilipinas, we're just taking the train here because the train is efficient and reliable and safe and clean. It's everything you want your public transportation to be. We're just going to buy some food sa 7-Eleven before going there sa circuit kasi kahapon when we bought our lunch doon na sa circuit, sobrang mahal, mga nag times 3 siguro sa usual na price kung bilhin mo lang siya dito sa labas. So, see you in the circuit. So, we're now at the circuit, but nauna na si Jed, tumakbo na siya papunta sa grandstand namin kasi nagsisimula na ang sprint. So ako, magpapaiwan ako, titingin-tingin sa mga shops. Tingin ako dyan. This is at the back of me is Grandstand A. Alam niyo ba anong grandstand kami? We're at Grandstand H. Nandun sa kabilang dulo. So I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna go to the stores. So that's just how it is. I just came from the official F1 store. I wanted to buy a shirt. A McLaren shirt, but they don't have. Meron na silang Ferrari, Mercedes, and Aston Martin. They don't have the one for McLaren because so far I'm a newbie on this one, but I like McLaren. If you can hear it, there's a helicopter. So nag-video footage dun yung helicopter na yan. Makikita mo yung aerial view and bird's eye view dahil sa helicopter na lumilipad. The sprint, I'm gonna talk to you later. See, that's Grandstand A. Doon yung entrance, nandun pa sa malayo. Alam nyo ba, nandun pa, yung nakikita nyo, that's Grandstand K. Remember, Grandstand H kami. So iniwan na ako ni Jed at lahat-lahat. Nagpaiwan lang din ako because I wanna take my time. So, see ya. Every corner papunta sa grandstand mo, merong F1 store. So, dito na tayo na corner, papunta yung letter K. And I'm going to my grandstand na sobrang layo pa. Ito, grandstand L, K, J, H, F entrance. Nasa letter H pa ako, guys. But it's okay. It's sunny today. Hopefully it stays that way. Tapos ang maganda pa, meron silang mga CRs. Napaka-accessible. So parang baba ng mga grandstand na yan. Walang problema. Heineken. Diyan ako bumili ng beer kahapon. That's their official beer partner. They actually also have these stalls. Pwede kang bumili. That's cool taste. They also have Shake Shack. But bumili na kami ng pagkain namin from Family Mart because sobrang mahal, guys, yung pagkain, but it's okay. Kahapon dito kami bumili sa Full Taste. And you don't have to worry kasi parang each grandstand naman may mga nakatoka na mga stalls. So if bigla kang nagutom, you'll go there. Later, balik ako dyan sa Heineken. just go find letter H. That's one of the food stalls. Dyan, parang dyan, I'm not sure. Dyan ba ako bumili or sa other side. But again, we have our food na. At this point, I think wala na akong maaabutan sa sprint na to this morning. But total yung qualifying na sa hapon pa naman. So, okay lang. Pero feeling ko, nagkamali kami ng timing ni Jede. Dapat siguro mga 2 hours before or 1 hour before, umalis na kami from the hotel, papunta train station namin, papunta dito sa circuit. Kasi from the entrance, papunta sa grandstand namin, siguro abutin siya ng mga 20 minutes na lakaran. Kaya mas maigi, maaga na lang kami bukas. Total bukas pa naman yung race talaga. Final race is still tomorrow. So at least we learned that. And this afternoon pa naman ng alas 4, alas 3 yung race, yung qualifying. I'm just gonna take my time. I don't care. Ayoko nang tumakbo. Mamaya yung mas mahaba. Kasi Grandstand J pa tayo guys. And I've been walking for a very long time na. Gusto niyo mag-stop point tayo dyan? May F1 store na naman. At saka may pool taste na naman. Kasi diba sabi ko, every corner papunta sa grandstand mo. Strategic yung pagkalagay nila yan. Para sa kung kalagitnaan na race, bigla kang nagutom, etc. Pwede kang lumabas. Kasi merong mga ibang shows in between the races. So for example, kanina, for example now, 11 to 11:30 or 12 yata. Yung parang sprint. Tapos mga alas 3 pa kasi yung qualifying mamaya. In between 11:30 to 3, may mga iba't ibang race yan. May Porsche race. Meron pa yung isang race. Nasa event program naman. So kung ayaw mo, hindi mo trick yun, panoorin in between the races na Formula 1, pwede ka pumunta sa mga stores. Or if you're like me, pwede kang bumili ng beer, bumaba ka. Later, I'm really gonna buy Heineken. But I'm just really already very tired. Ang layo pa ng grandstand age. Just go Lord. See you later. Every grandstand, there's a station first aid, an ambulance, and something. I'm still there on H2A. H10 ba? H2 is still somewhere there. Do you hear that? I'm gonna take a video. Hi. Okay. Thank you. Nandito na ako. Pupunta na ako sa grandstand namin. Nagpapalakpakan ng mga tao. I think tapos na. Or baka maganda yung performance ni Joe. Meron silang Chinese racer si Joe Guan Yu. So baka maganda yung performance niya kasi sobrang laking palakpak. I'm entering now. Pagdating ko tapos na. So sabi ni Jen, ngayon pa ba daw ako dumating? Well, you know what I did, right? Nag-shopping pa tayo. So tsaka we took our sweet time. So we're at seat Grandstand H 2A 43 and 44. Sobrang lapit ni Jen. Okay. That one. That level. Verstappen led the sprint race today. That's what I learned. Kasi dumating ako, nagpapalakpakan na sila lahat at tapos na. Diba? Ano masasabi mo? Pagdating mo dito, ilang laps pa?
Pagdating ko dito, 14 laps na yung na-complete nila.
O ilang laps na lang?
Napanood ko pa yung last 5 laps.
5 laps na lang?
Tapos maraming overtaking rin naman nangyari.
So ano na-learn mo? Dapat bukas? Anong oras?
Dapat bukas. Hindi ako makikinig sa'yo. Makikinig ako sa alarm ko.
Oh, yun na guys. So ngayon, kakain na tayo. Let's eat!
Akala ko.
This is what we're doing. Nagbaon kami ng pagkain galing Family Mart. And this is my food. We're waiting for 3 p.m. later. This is what I meant by in between races, you could go to the shops kasi sobrang ingay ng mga Porsche doon na nag-race. Well, it's part of the event naman. But right now, we're going out from the grandstand to buy beer. You know me, I'm a beer girl. Hopefully, we find some coffee too kasi si Jed, inaantok daw siya. Wala daw kape. But for me, I'm gonna buy beer. Heineken. Kasi yung dami-daming tao. Lumalabas sila. Because we're all going to buy some food. Finally got my beer. After a long wait. Yesterday it was raining. Today it's very hot. Waiting for qualifying too. And that's it for day 2. Ano masasabi mo sa day 2? Pole position is Verstappen and then si Perez yung second. Then Norris and Piastri, no? And then sila Ferrari na susunod. Ferrari fan to eh. Paano na yan? We're heading home and I'm so excited to go to People's Park para makakain na ako ng xiaolongbao at ng mga gusto ko. I wanna eat na. We are lining up at Jaja Tangbao. It's a dim sum place here in People's Park. Hopefully it is really good because so far, you see that line? That's a long line. We are now at the circuit today and it's third day of the race weekend and sobrang daming tao. It's weird. We're going to the F1 store. The race is just at 3 p.m. Pero sobrang dami ng tao dito sa circuit. And I think it's about to rain and it's gonna be cold, but it's okay. It's just 2 p.m. guys, pero unlike any other day, sobrang dami ng tao. And everyone's wearing shirts for their favorite team or favorite racer. So Jed is wearing his for Ferrari. So let's go. Let's do it.
wala na space daw sa akin.
Ha? Closest to the pit stop. That's the pit stop. That's a pit stop. Mine. Mine.
F1 number 1.